Welcome to the data structures class. So previously we discussed how we deleted the data at the ending and beginning of the linked list. Now we are going to discuss how I am deleting the desired data in a linked list. Now let's see if I have the linked list like this. So in this linked list I have four values or four nodes. So for each and every node I gave a name. So for first node I give as value 1, for second node value 2, the third node value 3 and fourth node value 4. I gave the values like this. For every node I gave the value. Now value 1 I referred as a head and value 4 refers to the null. So that means linked list starts from value 1, ends at value 4. Starts from value 1 and ends at value 4. Now I want to delete the data 3. I want to delete a data value 3. Now what will happen? If I delete a value 3, first I need to search the data. First I need to search the data where the value is available. Where the value is available. Okay. How we are going to search the linked list? If you want to search the linked list, I need to start from the starting. I need to start from the starting. What is the starting? Head is the starting one. Then so I go to the head. What is head? Value 1. Now here what I am going to do? I am going to ask the head 1. What is the head? It's a value 1. I am going to ask value 1. Are you value 3? Then immediately value 1 says, no, I am value 1. I am not value 3. Then what I will ask who is the next person to you or who is the next node to you. It will say, okay, value 2 is the next node. You can go and ask him. Value 2 is the next person, you can go and ask him. It will say like that. Okay, then I will go and search for value 2. Okay, I will go for search for value 2 and again the same process will happen. What I am going to do? I will ask value 2, are you value 3? It will say, no, I am value 2, I am not a value 3, I am not the desired person you want. Okay, now again the same question. What is the question? Oh, who is the next person to you? Who is the next person? It will say value 3. You can go to value 3. Then maybe you can find. Okay, I will go for value 3 searching. Then the same process will happen. Again, I will reach value 3. I will ask, are you value 3? Okay, here value 3 is equals to value 3. Then it will say, yes, I am value 3. Then it will say, okay, I am going to delete element 3. I deleted the element 3. Now, if I delete the element 3, now search for the linked list. So, the starting from value 1 refers to value 2 refers to something, but it is deleted. Now the process or I will search for the what is the next element of value 2, where is it, I will search for like that. But it is not available. Why? Because we simply deleted, but we didn't process anything. So if you do like that, the process will be in only running stage only. It won't exit the program. Why? Because it will be in infinity loop. It is searching for the data which is not available. Okay. So what I am going to do? I am going to add value 4 to next of the value 2. How I am going to do that one? Simply I am replacing the next element of value 2 to value 4. So previously value 2 next element contains value 3, but I deleted value 3, so I made some adjustments. What is that adjustment? I put value 2 address, or I put the next element of value 2 address as a value 4. As a value 4. Now the linked list is right now like this. The initial linked list, let's see, the initial linked list contains 4 elements with the value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. Value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4. Now I deleted value 3. Now the desired or output linked list is like this. The new linked list contains the 4 elements. What are the 4 elements? The value 1, value 2 and value 2 refers to value 4. So I successfully deleted value 3 and I merged the data. So I deleted the between data and I merged the two parts. So successfully the linked list traverse from head to end. I hope everyone understand how it is working, or how the data is deleted from the linked list. It is now up to now I explained how we are doing in a theoretical manner. Let's see, in next class I am going to explain it in programming manner. Thank you.